Hi everyone and happy Friday. My name is Kyle and I am here with Makers Mercantile. I'm excited to talk to you about the things in today's newsletter. And at the end of what I show, I'm going to give you 6 different fun facts about our amazing state. So item number 1, our first thing in our newsletter, is a shadow knitting kit that debuted at Knitting Live by Vogue Knitting here in Seattle. It was actually held in Bellevue, which is just adjacent to Seattle, Seattle adjacent. And the shadow knitting kit that we did is our Seattle shadow knitting kit. So, you know, when you hold it, you know, you wear it like a normal scarf or shawl. It just looks kind of like stripes. But when you turn it at an angle, the city appears. And this, the skyline shows the Ferris wheel, and it shows a whole lot of other iconic buildings. Of course, the Space Needle is there. It's up at the top here. Let's just see if we can see the Space Needle. There's the Space Needle. Hello. So it's pretty awesome. And this is a rectangle. It is something that anyone can really wear. Works well with lots of different outfits as well, because it's just black and white, super neutral, right? So this is our shadow knitting kit that we'd love to offer you. In the kit, it includes the yarn that you need, of course, as well as the instructions that are written line by line and in a chart form. It's really easy. It's 2 rows back and forth with 1 yarn, so you get black and white for this project. So 2 rows back and forth, and on one side you always knit across, and on the other side it's knits and purls. So knit 5, purl 18, knit 12, whatever it is, all the way across. Then you change to your other color and do the same thing, knit all the way across, and then on your way back, knit 17, purl 4, whatever it is, all the way back the other way. Those 2 back and forth, make the stripey wonder that becomes your shadowy surprise that you can take off and show people, you know, the little mystery and fun. So if you've ever visited Seattle or dream of visiting Seattle, this is the project for you. Other things I want to mention, of course, our shadow knitting kits are stocked. We do have a lot of them in stock for those of you who have been waiting for them. So take advantage of that and grab those while you can. I did put a link in our newsletter today, so you can click on that and see the different shadow knitting kits that are around. Another thing that is Seattle, very Seattle, and another thing we also debuted at the Vogue event is our Seattle project bag. And this project bag, there's a, you know, in the description, you'll be able to see the different names of the city buildings and some of the pieces that are here. But of course, the iconic Space Needle, the Ferris wheel that's down at the pier. This building here, right here, is one of the best views of the city. If you go up to an observation deck, you can get a great view. Of course, Mount Rainier is in the background, just hanging out. That's our volcano. Yeah, so that is it. Of course, trees and boats and all of that. Beautiful blue sky, because yes, Seattle has wonderfully blue skies, even though it does rain a lot here. So check out the Seattle bag. Of course, it has a fun rainbowy zipper. And when you open it, I should probably show you. Yes, of course, nice white interior, so it's easy to see what's going on in there. This is a decent sized bag. It's a good one for, you know, you could use it to hold your shadow knitting project, your Seattle shadow knitting project. So check that out. Of course, we print and sew these in our print lab. So that's the project bag. Keeping with the Seattle theme, the Seattle, Washington theme, I want to talk about Muriel's dips. So Muriel's dips are made in Redmond, Washington, and they are a favorite. They're a favorite of our shop, of course. And there's a number of different ones. I just grabbed 2 here to show you. So garden spinach and cheesy pizza. Of course, cheesy pizza is my favorite. If you know me, you know I love pizza. This one, you take this dip packet and you mix a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of sour cream, and the dip packet, mix it up, chill it for an hour, and it's a pizza dip. So good. Check these out. They are made by a family, like I said, in Redmond, and there's a whole story on our website that explains their business and why it is a fun family adventure for them. So those are available as well. Another thing we will talk about, of course, just a friendly reminder that we have a sort of a promotion going on with all of our 𝗍𝗲 yarns. Of course, Keith Leonard came in and sort of took over our 𝗍𝗲 and dyed a whole bunch of yarn, and there's more to come. And now through Sunday, if you buy 2 or more hanks of the 𝗍𝗲 yarn, it has to say 𝗍𝗲 in the title, we will automatically gift you a set of the addiLove heart stitch markers, which is really exciting. So that's going to go through Sunday. If you're interested in any of these, grab that yarn while you can. But in honor of Washington State, we're going to talk a little bit about 𝗬𝗏𝗏. 𝗬𝗏𝗏 is one of the islands here. And this is our 𝗬𝗏𝗏 yarn. So 𝗬𝗏𝗏 is 47% bamboo and 37% superwash merino, 16% nylon. So it gets like 16 stitches over 4 inches on a size 8 needle. So you can check that out. There's a number of different solids that exist, and then, you know, named in honor of things found on the island. And then of course there's the island colorway, which is a multiple colorway that is available as the core collection of colors. But in our 𝗍𝗲, I have 3 that I just added here, and these are ones that Keith helped us dye. So this one is called Box of Crayons. It's very much like the Happiness colorway that he is so loved for. Box of Crayons. We have Northern Lights. So here is Northern Lights, which has that little hint of this really light turquoisey color, goes into a purple and settles into a long run of this deep blue, which reminded us of the night sky. Northern Lights. And then this is 𝗶𝗏𝗏𝗄. So 𝗶𝗏𝗏𝗄 is really a fun colorway. It is a pooling colorway, so there's a section of the yarn that runs through you know, the brighter colors, and then the big majority of it is this light sort of pool water kind of color. So check that out. So you could combine any of these with one of the solids and make a fun stripy project if you like, or use it on its own. So there is limited quantity available of the 𝗍𝗲 𝗬𝗏𝗏 hand-dyed colorways. So that is the hand-dyed things. And yes, a reminder one more time, buy 2 or more hanks of yarn. It could be 2 different colors if you want. As long as they say 𝗍𝗲 in the description, we will give you the addiLove heart stitch markers as a gift to you. So I think I covered all the stuff. Now here are as promised, 6 different, where are your fingers? 6 different really awesome fun facts about Washington State. So the first fact I thought was pretty cool is Washington State is the only state in the United States named after a president. Of course, Washington State is named after George Washington. So that's number 1. Number 2, the Kennewick Man. So the Kennewick Man was found in Kennewick, Washington. It is the most complete skeletal remains. It's one of the oldest found in the country. It was found in 1996. And the Kennewick Man is thought to have lived about 9,000 years ago. So through study of the skeletal remains, scientists are able to understand a little bit about what this person might have eaten, how they lived, and all of that. So that's pretty interesting. Number 3, the third thing. Of course, we have to talk about Sasquatch, right? So in the state of Washington, just so you know, it is illegal to kill Sasquatch. Yes, Sasquatch might be a mythical creature, right? We think maybe mythical. But if the creature is real, as the law explains, and there really is a law there, if the creature is real, it is most certainly endangered. So we want to protect our endangered species. Sasquatch cannot be killed in the state of Washington. Actually, a lot of counties have declared themselves refuge areas for Sasquatch, which is pretty interesting. So that is number 3. Number 4, remember I talked about Mount Rainier. Here's our Mount Rainier in the background. Mount Rainier is one of our volcanoes. We have a number of them, including Mount St. Helens, which famously erupted, Mount Baker, Glacier Park, Mount Adams, and Mount Rainier. Active. Some of them are active, but they're not actively erupting right now, so that's good for right now. But it's part of the Cascade Mountain Range, and there's a whole lot of them, which is pretty amazing. So we have volcanoes. We also have glaciers as a little bonus. There are more glaciers in the state of Washington than anywhere else in the contiguous United States. So that's the part of the US where all the states touch each other. Item number five, we have 29 different federally recognized indigenous tribes in our state, which I think is pretty remarkable. Our indigenous people are well loved and much respected by us, and so many stories about the land that we get to experience because of their fun cultures and interesting traditions and things like that. So that's pretty cool. 29 different ones recognized federally. And number 6 is the farmers market. So we have a farmers market at Pike Place Market. It has been open since 1907 and is the longest continuously running, continuously open operating farmers market in the entire United States. So there's 6 different fun facts about our fun state. We hope you're having fun wherever you are. Check out the Shadow Knitting Kit. Grab one while you can. Order or pre-order one of the others if you're interested. Visit the website and see all the other fun things we have. And after that, have a fun weekend, right? We'll be back again on Tuesday with some more fun stuff. Until then, stay safe, of course. Keep being creative. Reach out to those who are important to you. And we will see you on Tuesday. Bye.